was barely listening. Flowers in the rain, lost and found again.
Ayun, masaya. At the same time, medyo kinakabahan ako. Akala ko nung una, normal lang flow, pero ito nararamdaman ko na yung parang may konti ng pressure.
I will move if you won't move. Masquerading in a crowded room. Never let the light get through. All we do, me and you, bulletproof. Bulletproof. I was there at the moment the stars came alive, and that's when
Kaya sa inyong dalawa, Derek at Chelica, unang bagay na gustong iwanan. Dapat ang itatayo ninyo at bubuin tahanan, dapat built on Jesus. Christ-centered life.
every move that we make in the air we collide. Every path that
Inaantay lang kita, yung sundo, ganun. Pero ngayon, ito na yung inaantay natin na moment. At lagi mo lang tatandaan na mahal na mahal kita. Ayun.
we are in the arms of the universe. It was just you and me. Come to life in the sky as the colors burst. Held in our feet.
Love never fails. Hindi ang pag-ibig, hindi kailanman pumupupas. Genuine love, genuine commitment to each other, yun ang magbibigay sa inyong dalawa. No matter what, gaano man ang ma-encounter ninyong mga problema sa inyong gagawing pagkasama, pag meron genuine love, commitment sa isa't isa, I believe lahat ng iyon ay babakahin para marating at maabutin nyo ang isang matagumpay na pagtatayo ng isang maayos at matagumpay na pamilya.
I wonder, as thoughts wander, was it long ago? In my
Derek, I cannot promise the beauty of tomorrow, but I vow that I stay and see the joy of being together in sickness and in health, in bad endings and good beginning, in waiting and moving. I vow to be always faithful and be your best friend always. And I vow to love you always and in all ways.
Who knew you'd be the one to let me know? I still remember.
I vow my very best to be a good husband to you, and I also promise to offer my life to you and to serve you with all of my heart.
Just remember.